Hey, what's up, you jerk? Soapy Fresh here in the crypto sewer. I wanted to give you a quick start guide on the new RagerX miner, as well as compare it to some of the other RandomX miners out there. In the description below, I have linked my affiliate link to RagerX. If you would, please use that link to sign up. I get a little bit of a bonus if you do that. If you would, please, I would be forever grateful. So first, we're going to go to the RagerX website, click on register, fill out your information here. When you're done with that, you're going to go ahead and download the miner. I'll go ahead and speed it up just a little bit here. Now, what you're actually downloading here is a flasher utility. You'll need a USB stick of at least 2 gigabytes. RagerX is a miner, a pool, an operating system all in one. So once you've downloaded the flasher utility, Windows is flagged here. That's okay. We're going to go run anyway. Once you've downloaded the flasher utility, you'll need to open it up and flash your USB stick. I guess we got to unzip it first. Skip through this. So go to where you unzipped it to, and you're going to open up the flasher utility. Here you'll select your USB drive. Now I've already flashed this one, so we're going to go ahead and flash a new image on there. The latest at this point is 1.0.3. We're going to use the defaults here. And now you're going to enter in the information that you registered on the website, your username, password, and whatever you want your rig ID to be for this particular rig. I'm going to put main PC. And we're going to go ahead and verify after flashing just to make sure everything's good to go. And then I'm going to speed this up here so we're not waiting. Okay, and once it's done flashing, it'll go ahead and eject it for you. We're going to go ahead and restart, and I'll show you what it looks like when we boot to RagerX. Now, obviously, you're going to have to set up your BIOS settings, or for me, I can press F8, and I can choose actually where I want to boot to, as you can see here. Have this nice splash screen. And it boots right up. It's going to go through all its little checks. Connects to the pool, new job received, and share accepted. So we are sending shares right now. We're hashing away. You can press H, and it will show you your hash rate for each of your CPU cores. And as you can see, I'm at just over 2,200 hashes per second. So let's go back and compare this to the other RandomX miners that are out there right now. First, let's pull up XMRig. Let it boot up here. I'm going to press H to see the hash rate. And I'm at about 1850 hashes per second. Now that could be a little less because I am using OBS Studio right now to record this. Then let's go on over to XMR-Stak-RX. Press H for the hash rate. And it shows right at 1787, so close to 1800 hashes here. So it looks like RagerX gave me more hashes per second, so I think that's what I'm going to go with. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. In the description below, I have linked my affiliate link to RagerX. If you would, please use that link to sign up. I get a little bit of a bonus if you do that. If you would, please, I would be forever grateful. Thank you for watching.